Good afternoon. It's almost afternoon on my end. Let me see the time. It is 4 minutes to 12. So essentially, we're going to cross into the afternoon. We are 1 hour and 56 minutes into the day's trading session. It's looking like a red day. I mean, last week was red. We had 5 straight days of losses, and it seems like we're going to have uh, this week starting on a negative note. The all share index is down 0.10%. Let me just refresh to see is it better as it was. Still there, the all share index is down 0.10%. The index measures average performance of stocks on the exchange. Who's leading the gainers and losers? On the gaining side of things, Airtel Africa up 10%, CNIF up 10%, Mofi Rave up 10%. Will it close there? Let's see. NCR still pushing up 9.98% and Multiverse up 9.95%. Switching lanes to Bua Cement down 10%. Bua Cement is leading the losers down 10%. Infinity Trust down 10%. Eternal down 10%. Total Energy is down 10%. Better Glass down 10%. Some of these stocks are the stocks I like to call deja vu stocks because day in, day out, you have these stocks down intraday but closing the day flat due to the absence of a single block trade of 100,000 shares needed to move a stock price up or down. In the value side of things, or on the value side of things, Fidelity Bank 1.95 billion naira worth of shares traded so far. UBA second place, distant second, 361 million naira worth of shares traded so far. UACN third place, 251 million naira worth of shares traded so far. To volume, Fidelity Bank large volume traded 102.6 million shares traded so far. Japan Gold second place, 65.3 million shares traded so far. And then UBA, distant third, 9.9 million shares traded so far. So let's go look at some of the individual names to see how they're performing. Dangote Cement in the green. Can we see this stock close in the green? 134,000 shares traded so far. I'm not sure how many are block transactions. I could filter that to check. I'm pressed for time. First Holdco in the red. Most of the premium stocks or stocks listed on the premium side of things are in the red. First Holdco in the red. MTN in the red. Down 5 naira. Seplat has been trading in this range for the last couple of days. I wonder if we have a single block transaction, I doubt that will happen anytime soon because you would need what? You probably need over 200 million naira to move that stock, and you barely have that happen. So Slepper down in the red, UBA down 90 kobo 36 naira last price, WAFCO 130.9, Zenith Bank down 35 kobo. Let's see where these stocks close up, but it's looking like a red day. Let's go check some of the names I'm watching. Aradel always my first port of call here, down by 5 naira a share. Shareholders who qualify for the dividend should get the dividend, interim dividend sometime this week. I think it's Friday. Better Class down 37 naira a share. Boa Cement down by just under 60 naira a share. Boa Foods in the red down by about looking like 70, almost 70 naira a dip. CAP, I keep watching. I don't know if we'd ever see CAP at 65, 67. I continue to watch for that. That will be my own entry price point for that stock. Custodian down by 1 naira and some fraction. QTix down by 4 kobo. I think QTix numbers should be out sometime this week. CWG seems to have retraced um, down by 5 kobo. That's essentially flat. 5 kobo isn't a material difference in my view. What do we have? ETI down by about two naira and some fraction. Unicell, is Unicell finally going to close in the red? Let's see. Profit taking. This stock is overdue for profit taking. Unicell at what? Down by over 7 naira a share. FCMB down by 55 kobo. Let's see where it will close at. Fidelity, let's see the bid of our spread. But this stock, bid price 19.05, offer price 19.15 kobo spread Large volumes though, large bids. Net, you have stock seems to be on net bid. You have more bids than offers there. That's for Fidelity. Fitsin 37.55. It's been dancing around the 36, 37 naira mark. FTN Cocoa in the green, up by 11 kobo a share. GTCO up 25 kobo. Guinness still tanking. I don't get why Guinness is tanking. Will it close there? Let's see where it closes at. 14,600 plus shares traded so far. Not enough to move the price. Ikeja Hotel 1.1 million shares traded so far, down by 5 kobo a share. International Breweries down by 90 kobo. J Berger, Julius Berger, the construction firm, it's down by 3 kobo. Let's see where to close at. Len, I'm watching. Len seems to be moving between 5.45, 5.5, 5.8, 6 naira a share. So, I mean, this morning, I think I saw a 5.8 on the bid side of offer side of things. Early morning trading so far, or the first few minutes of trading. Livestock down by 10 kobo. Mansa down by 25, was that 35 kobo? Me and Baker down by 1 naira a share. NASCON, let's see. Let's see NACO. Would NACO recover to 100 naira a share? Would have to watch. Offer price 100 naira, bid price 99.5. You have more bids and offers. 1.2 million shares bid in 65 deals. Offer is 627,000 shares in 24 deals. Nigerian breweries still dipping. I just don't get why it's dipping. This is a dirty December stock. NGX group at 50 naira. I saw this stock trading around, I think, 47 or so. The first few minutes of trading. NPF Microfinance Bank. Where are we now with this stock? A bid price 2.68, offer price 2.88, 20 kobo spread, tiny spread. That's an MTN trade at 457.2. Here we go. So will you see MTN close there? Let's see Okomo and Presco. Okomo at 1029. That's almost 80 naira down from last week's closing price. Presco 1413, 37 naira difference from last week's closing. Red Star Express dipping, bid price 8.35, offer price 8.5, 15 kobo spread. You have more offers than bids. Uh, that's a large trade of GTCO. Ladies and gentlemen, can you see it? 99 million GTCO shares traded. Wow. Who could be buying? And more importantly, who is selling those shares? That's huge. I need to go check out my market data to find out. UACN up 10 kobo. Nice to see that. UCAP 16 naira 60 kobo. 1.6 million shares traded so far. VFD 10.25, down by 35 kobo from last week's closing price. Vitafoam, let's see where Vitafoam would close at. Um, Bid price 78.3, offer price 81.5. That is a spread of 2 naira and some fraction, 2 naira and 15 kobo if my math is correct. So I end with two stocks on the growth side of things, the growth here. Mikio 24.95. Yeah, it's kind of no news there. It's been there for a while. Tip at 11 naira. Straight in above its offer price and rights issue price. Seplat 528.5,228.10. So let's go see the market stats. That's this is a huge volume for GTCO. 192.7 million shares. By market close, I think I should have more details as to who's buying and who's selling. So that's pretty much about it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go check corporate disclosure page. I saw a story from a notice from Multitrex and all that. They just gave some guidance. I'm not sure if Multitrex is trading at the moment, but long story short is they have a new investor who paid off an Amcon debt the company was owing. That investor is going to be allotted 6.1 billion shares. After that, there's going to be a share reconstruction and all that. So that's the summary. We'll cover that later in the week. That's pretty much about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you at market close.